Hello, my name is Jacob, and this is my final presentation for 3D modeling and animation. I'll be showing all the work I did throughout the class. First, we learned how to make a simple humanoid biped. It was easy after learning the basics of Maya with the video tutorials. Breaking down the different body parts into simple shapes helped me make the task more digestible. Here's my character design and reference board for my character Sterling. I added a couple of references since the midterm, since I ended up taking inspiration from games like Portal and Half-Life as I went on. This is my attempt at modeling my very own character. One thing I definitely learned at this point was making sure to save all the different versions of the model I made. I did a subdivision on this one and ended up losing the lower poly version, which is no fun. Overall though, I like how it turned out. And here he is animated, and with some texture and color. I never knew how easy it could be to rig and animate a simple character using online tools like Mixamo. Pretty cool. Moving on from the character work, here are my references for my futuristic architecture and furniture. I was specifically looking for ones with a low poly aesthetic. This is the walls, ceiling, and floor I did. I had to resize them after the fact to make sure they worked nicely with the grid. Here's the door, window, and furniture set I made to go along with that futuristic aesthetic. This is a generic building and a column that can be decorated in different ways. These ones still need to be rescaled. Here's some more exterior architecture, including stairs, railings, a door, and a barred window. And here it is all together. Unfortunately, I didn't get time to texture them and include them in my game just yet. I'd like to at some point. I still think it looks pretty cool though. And then for the last assignment, we got a taste of what it's like to manually rig and animate something. I kept it simple and went with a tail like we saw in the video that we watched for the tutorial. And I can see why people say it's a pain, but I definitely feel like I understand the basics on a certain level after going through the controller and bones and all that. And then finally, I have a short demo of my game that I made for my project, which I'll show you now. And that's all I got. Thank you.